Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2014 Hyundai Elantra, stock number 6461. This ran from the 3rd 2011 to the 11th 2015. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, single stack stereo, interior mirror, front caterpillar with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,